In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off emails from eBay. If you're tired of your inbox being flooded with various notifications from eBay, you're in the right place. We'll walk through how to manage your communication preferences directly from your account. This way you can decide exactly what notifications you receive and what you'd like to silence, keeping your email clear of unwanted messages. To begin, open up your web browser and head over to ebay.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do so now by entering your login credentials. This is the first step to access the account settings where you can make the necessary changes. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your account's dashboard, as we'll be diving into it shortly. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your name or your account icon displayed there. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. This is where you will find the gateway to controlling how eBay communicates with you. Once you're on the Account Settings page, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by the variety of options. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. What you're looking for now is the Communication Preferences option. This will guide you to the section where you can adjust the notifications you receive from eBay. Click on Communication Preferences to proceed. Now you'll see a list of communication categories. Don't let it intimidate you. Focus on finding the section labeled Buying Activity. Next to it, there should be an Edit link. Click on Edit, and this is where the real power comes in to decide what kinds of messages you want eBay to stop sending. Finally, after you've clicked Edit under Buying Activity, scroll through the list of settings. You'll see an array of notification options. Simply uncheck the boxes next to the notifications you would like to turn off. Take some time to review these carefully, ensuring you're only receiving emails pertinent to your needs. Once you're satisfied with your selections, remember to hit Save to apply these changes. This will ensure your inbox is only filled with the emails you truly care about. And there you have it. You've successfully managed your eBay email preferences, reducing unwanted clutter. By taking these steps, you'll find your inbox is more streamlined, helping you stay organized and focused on what truly matters to you. Remember, you can always revisit these settings and make adjustments as needed. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find your newfound email tranquility refreshing.